gonna do an exorcist.
Yeah, I gotta get ready. Yeah.
So I say, so stay.
Turn right.
Here we are at Mike Campbell's house. This is the Motor Monks. We're here to give Mike's motor and car a blessing.
Yes.
For those that need our services, just get a hold of Kenny and we can perform them for you as such. Okay, Mike, we come please over here, sir. You gotta go.
The Lord needs help. We're here to help the Lord, help you.
Thy Blue 61 has passed it to the next racetrack.
Yes.
May we bless its motor and its horsepower and its RPMs. May it rest in peace. We read it from the holiest book now. Mike,
Dare I?
you have to. It's
You
part
dare.
of the blessing.
Far be it from me to step out of line.
We shall read from the holiest of sacrament of books.
Yes.
We now readeth page 492. Thy torqueth flex plate to 68 poundeth, saith the holy people.
68 pounders.
We now read from page 427. Thy shall torque the heads to 89 pounds, saith the wise folk.
89 pounders.
Mike, we are here to bless your motor, and may it be cleansed from all its evil spirits, and may the piston stay inside on your next motor. So, Allah imaya la maya,
Allah mi Allah.
Imaya revving motor,
Seven motor.
thy revveth motor no moreth,
No more.
thy shall pass peacefully.
Yes, thy shall pass peacefully. Put some stink in it.
That's it. Thank you for our services.
Yes. We do take donations.
That is
He's
awesome.
blessed.
Now you have a
He's blessed.
blessed motor.
Yeah.
How
Now
are
I
you
should
feeling,
have
Michael?
both again.
And if you
I
would like,
feel exercised.
if you would like, when you get the
I
new
feel I
motor,
can race now.
Awesome.
I'm at least ready for the 8th mile.
that's what I'm
Try
saying.
to
Yeah.
start it up.
I can honestly say with the utmost confidence,
There's a
it
nice,
will not start.
Will not.
nice little hole down there.
Yeah.
But the
Well, don't
tinsel-
forget to call us so we can bless the new one
Yeah,
before
yeah,
you
when
take
need
it for
the-
its
the
first
blessing on the new
run.
motor, please call us.
Right.
Yeah, we'll come bless the new one.
Yes.
Should
Take
I,
care.
with that being said, should I have them just send it to your house, to your church?
No, no, no,
Yeah.
no. Church is everywhere with us.
Yes.
Oh, okay,
Yes.
mobile.
Wherever the motorist be, we be.
We be it.
Yeah, we beeth.
We beeth.
So it saith, thyeth. But there you go.
That is friggin' awesome, man. That is awesome.
Gotta love the guys.
Not
it'll
bad,
it'll
huh?
be back up and going soon. Soon.
This one is ready. I'm ready to fire this one up.
Later, gang.